Good morning, student. So today we are going to perform the practical, that is isolation and preservation of pure culture. Okay. So what is mean by the pure culture? The single colony is called as the pure culture, single strain colony. Okay. Suppose E. coli, then it is a pure culture of E. coli. There is no mixed culture. Okay. So for isolation of pure culture, we require plates, Petri plates, and the two methods you perform, that is the strict plate method and pour plate method. In strict plate method, there are two types of strict plate method, that is four corner method and zigzag method of this strict plate method. Okay, zigzag method and four corner method. In four corner method, you are taking one Petri plate, okay, which contain nutrient agar. Firstly, when you are going to prepare the strict plate method, at that time you have to prepare the nutrient agar, sterile nutrient agar, pour it into the sterile Petri plate. Okay, and once it is poured, then wait for solidification. After solidification, you are label this as first corner, second, third, and fourth by placing the square on this plate. Okay, like this. So it become four corners. Just take the loop full of suspension, stick on the one corner. Okay, then cover the lid, again rotate this plate, then stick on the second part. Same process for third and fourth also. Okay, just stick it, cover it, rotate it, again stick it, cover it, rotate it. Okay, by this way you are completing the four corners. Once you come here, then stick on in the middle also. Okay, by this way what you are going to do? You are reducing the number of count of organisms. Okay, suppose in the loop full of suspension 100 organisms are there, then you are sticking here. Okay, so 100 colonies are getting reduced here. Okay, we are sticking like this. So maximum surface area will cover. Then on the second corner, again you are rotating. You are not taking another quantity. By the loop full of suspension, you are going to stick on this four corner. So here you will get one colony. Okay. Same process with the again strict plate method is performed by zigzag method. You can take a loop full of suspension and stick like a zigzag. Place the drop of suspension at the top of this plate. Okay, and then just zigzag it. Okay. So suppose at the first corner, four corner method. First corner 500 organisms are there. Okay, in second 300, in fourth 100, fourth one 20, third 100 are there, and in fourth 20 to 50 organisms are there. So at the center you will get 3 to 5 colonies. That is the pure culture colonies you are getting. Okay. And in zigzag method also you are reducing the number of organisms. So here you will get the single colony, isolated colony. That is nothing but the pure culture. And what is mean by the pour plate method? In pour plate method, you are just prepare the nutrient agar, pour it into the sterile Petri plate in with aseptical conditions, and then at room temperature you are going to add loop full of suspension, means in ml. Okay, 0.1 ml of suspension you are adding, and just gently stir that plate like this. Suppose this is the plate. Okay, gently stir this plate like this. So the proper mixing of the agar and strain, and then you are waiting for you have to wait for solidification, and then keep it into the incubator. After incubation period you will get the colonies. Okay, so see here, this is the four corner method I performed. This is the four corner method. See here, in first corner there are number of organisms are there. In second, fourth, and in the middle there we are getting the single colony. Same with this is the zigzag method I performed. See, zigzag method. Okay, here we will get the single colony. Okay, so by this way we can we can isolate a pure culture from mixed culture. Okay. Okay, so what is pour plate method? In pour plate method, as I told you in disinfectant, evaluation of disinfectant, what is pour plate method? Here also we are taking the sterile nutrient agar plate. We are pouring the nutrient agar into the Petri plate, sterile Petri plate. But here in the strict plate method and that is zigzag method and four corner method, we are waiting for solidification. After solidification, we are sticking on the plate. But here in pour plate method, we are not waiting for solidification. The nutrient agar is added, and at room temperature, when it is in liquid state, we are adding the strain of microorganism. Okay, we are going to add the strain of microorganism. So when it is in liquid form, and after when you are adding the inoculum, just gently move the slide for proper mixing and then wait for solidification. So it is the pour plate method. Okay, understood? The strict plate method, pour plate method. So students, I prepare this McConkey's agar for isolation of E. coli. Okay, because the E. coli is gram-negative organism, and in this McConkey's agar, the composition of McConkey's agar, we require peptone for this agar. Agar powder is required, then we require the lactose. Okay, then we require the neutral red as well as the crystal violet we require. All these raw materials are added in this, and then I will take the proportion composition of this nutrient agar, that is the peptone. I take the 1.5 gram. Okay, then I take the lactose, that is 1.3 gram. Then I take the neutral red, that is near about 2 to 3 drops I added, and then crystal violet is 0.001 gram I take, and the nutrient agar which is required, that is 1.35 gram I taken. Okay, so all the ingredients are added here, and then the distilled water 100 ml is added. So this McConkey's agar is ready now. What is the speciality of this McConkey's agar? This McConkey's agar is a special type of agar, okay, by which we can get the lactose fermenting and non-lactose fermenting organism, and because of there is a presence of lactose and bile salt is there, so that bile salt is inhibiting the growth of gram-positive bacteria. Okay, so the most probably the gram-negative bacteria are grown on this media, but rather than that we can differentiate between the two types of organism. That is, first one is the lactose fermenting and second one is non-lactose fermenting. Okay, the lactose fermenting organisms observe like a pink color colonies on this agar, and non-lactose fermenting colonies are white in color. Okay, and I prepare this Petri plate which is wrapped. I will wrap this flask with cotton plug, and then I will wrap it with the newspaper, and then I will keep it into the autoclave. Okay, the autoclave is now preheated, and I will make the plug for it, then wrap it, and then keep it into the autoclave at 121 degrees Celsius, that is 15 lbs pressure is there, for 15 minutes. Okay. Okay, for isolation of pure culture, see here, these are the certain plates from Air Microflora. Okay, we done this practical, that is Air Microflora. I will show you the clear image of this. Okay, the plate. See here, there are yellow color colonies are there, orange color colonies are there, fungal growth is also there on the nutrient agar. Okay, and whitish color growth is there, and dirty white color growth is also there. Okay, so how to identify the morphological characters of this? So for that you have to take this weapon, that is the nichrome wire loop. Okay, so we require this. First sterilize this loop with the help of flame. Once it become red hot, then we can easily say that it is sterilized. Now it is cooled down. So there are, suppose we will take the yellow color colony. Okay. So see here, I will focus on this. 1 minute. Yes, now it is. Okay. So see here, on this yellow colony, here is the yellow colony is there. I will touch this colony. Okay. I will touch, but it is non-sticky colony. Non-sticky circular colony which is in yellow color. Okay. The consistency is also not sticky. It is not sticky, and it is not oval or raised enclave is there. Okay, it is flattened colony, you can call it as. Okay, so all of these are the morphological characters. Now I will show you how to stick this colony on the plate. Students, so with the help of permanent marker you can label this plate, like write your name here, okay, or you can write your roll number on this plate here only on this side, and then you can write, suppose yellow color colony, suppose I will write the yellow. Okay, so yellow color colony I will take for strict plate method. So see here, again I am sterilizing the nichrome wire loop. Then I will take the culture. Okay, yellow color colony I am taking, and I will stick on this plate, but how I will show you. So I prepared the 4 corners on the plate, base of this plate, see here. So suppose this is the first corner, second corner and third corner. So like that you have to streak. So suppose this is the first corner, I will streak like this. Okay. Then again rotate the plate, I am rotating the plate. Then okay, the second corner is over now. Now the third, wait, I will adjust this. See here, now I am at third corner. So I am streaking on the plate like this. Okay. Now again I am rotating the plate. Okay. I rotate the plate. Now it's the fourth corner. On the fourth corner I will streak like this, and then I will enter within this center. So on this plate the streaking is done. Okay, so this is the strict plate method, 4 corner method. Okay, so now I will take one more colony from the plate, that is I will take the pink color colony. So I will take the pink color colony. Okay, then again now we are performing the zigzag method. So what is zigzag method? Keep your nichrome wire loop here, then like this, zigzag, zigzag, you have to streak on the plate. It is very simple method. Okay, at the end you will get the isolated colony. So this is the zigzag method, and here I will take the orange color colony. I take the orange color colony. Now I will take the dirty white color colony. It is again zigzag method I perform. Okay, so this is the strict plate method. And how to strick on the stab and slant. So these are the nutrient slants we prepare. Okay, so see here, these are the slants, these are solidified, already solidified. We prepared this. So again I will take one colony from this. Okay, so again I will take one colony from this. I will take another one which is different colony. Actually it is sticky colony and it is dirty white in color. So strick on the loop, the slope of the loop like this. It is on the slope, zigzag by zigzag method you can strick. Okay, so again you have to sterilize the mouth of the test tube. So see here, it is zigzag method on the slant. Be done. Again I will take another one colony. It is light yellow color colony which is sticky in nature. Okay, so again I will strick on the slant, zigzag method, surface of the slope. Yes, we will take the another plate on which the white color colony is there. You can see the very white in color it is. So I will take that colony. It is non-sticky colony. We can strick on the nutrient agar slant. So this is the slant we are going to strick. Okay, so by this way we learn today how to strick or how to isolate the pure culture by strict plate method, that is four corner method and zigzag method, and how to strick on the slant. Okay, so today we learn these things.